Welcome to our lesson about the Convert Entities tool. I've got a solid in my graphic area. I'm going to create a sketch on one of the faces of my solid. Let's right-click on this face. Here I've got two options, Create New Sketch or Edit Existing Sketch. I'm going to create a new sketch. Okay, let's unselect everything. And now let's click the Convert Entities tool. Let's actually pin it down. And now let's select the entities to convert. I'm going to select this edge and this edge. Click Accept. SOLIDWORKS created two lines and both are fully defined since they're attached to the existing geometry. Okay, next I'm going to select this face and click Accept. SOLIDWORKS created a closed profile fully defined also. Let's cancel out of the tool. Now let's select the on-edge relation and delete it. Now we're able to grab and drag this corner, dropping it elsewhere. Let's drag select these entities and press delete. Next, I'm going to show you a closed sketch using the Model tool. Let's activate the 3-point arc tool. I'll move my mouse along this edge to find its midpoint. That's the starting point of my arc. Same on this edge. Now let's go to Tools on the main menu strip. Sketch Tools, and let's select Close Sketch with Model Edges. The yellow arrow shows the direction. Let's reverse and click Accept. Yes. To fully define the sketch, let's add a tangent relation. I'll Control-select this edge, add a tangent relation, and my sketch is now fully defined. Let's exit the sketch. And this concludes our lesson about converting entities.